Robot vacuums were once too expensive for most people, especially when compared to traditional models. However, the market has changed, and now there are several budget-friendly options available. With so many choices, it can be hard to figure out which one offers the best value for your needs. I have listed 5 of the best budget robot vacuums for 2024, each with unique features to suit different cleaning requirements. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Number 5. SwitchBot Mini Robot Vacuum. For those who value a quieter cleaning experience, this robot vacuum K10 Plus is the best choice. With a noise level of just 48 decibel, this vacuum operates nearly silently, allowing you to clean without disturbing your household or neighbors. This quiet operation is the result of advanced engineering, including an optimized vacuum duct design and motor torque. Despite its compact size, this offers impressive features such as 2,500 Pascal suction power and LiDAR navigation for accurate cleaning. Its compact design enables it to clean under furniture and in tight corners, improving efficiency by 90%. The K10 Plus also includes a 4-liter base station that automatically collects dust for up to 70 days, reducing the need for frequent maintenance. Additionally, this features advanced cleaning customization via an app where you can set plans, restrict areas, and even use voice commands via Alexa or Google Assistant. If you need an intelligent, quiet, and highly efficient cleaning solution, this robot vacuum is a top contender. Number 4. Roborock Q7 Max. When it comes to deep cleaning, this one excels with its powerful 4,200 Pascal suction, making it one of the most potent vacuums on the market. This suction power ensures that dirt, debris, and even pet hair are effectively lifted from floors, and it automatically increases suction when it detects carpets for a deeper clean. What sets this apart is its dual vacuuming and mopping capabilities. It features an electronic pump with 30 adjustable water flow levels, allowing you to customize cleaning based on floor type and your personal preference. It also boasts the PreciSense LiDAR navigation, which builds precise 3D maps of your home to create the most efficient cleaning route. With a combined 470 milliliter dustbin and 350 milliliter water tank, the Q7 Max can clean for longer periods without frequent interruptions. It also includes a long-lasting battery that supports up to 180 minutes of cleaning, covering large spaces up to 3,229 square feet. For users looking for powerful suction and multifunctional cleaning, this offers everything you need. Number 3. Eufy RoboVac G30. This is the best budget-friendly option for those seeking a high-quality robot vacuum without breaking the bank. Despite its affordability, it offers impressive features including 2,000 Pascal suction, which is more than adequate for picking up dirt, dust, and pet hair from a variety of floor types. It also uses Boost IQ technology, which automatically increases suction power when extra strength is needed, such as on carpets or heavy debris. The G30's dynamic navigation system ensures a methodical cleaning path, leaving no corner untouched. It also offers app control, allowing you to schedule cleanings, track the vacuum's route, and adjust settings with ease. The ultra-slim design allows it to fit under furniture, while the quiet operation ensures it won't disturb your daily life. While it lacks some of the advanced features of more expensive models, like a self-emptying base or advanced mapping, this is an excellent option for those who need a reliable, budget-friendly vacuum that still gets the job done. Number 2. Shark AI Ultra. This is the perfect vacuum for pet owners, thanks to its powerful suction and self-cleaning brush roll. The brush roll is engineered to pick up pet hair, dirt, and debris from all surfaces, preventing tangles and hair buildup, a common issue with regular vacuums. This makes it highly effective in homes with pets, as it ensures a thorough clean without requiring constant brush roll maintenance. In addition to its pet-friendly design, this also features advanced LiDAR navigation that maps your home for precise cleaning. It's equipped with Matrix Clean technology, ensuring that the robot covers every inch of your floors in a systematic grid pattern. Its self-emptying system allows it to store up to 60 days of debris without needing a bag, making it extremely low maintenance. For ultimate convenience, this offers voice control via Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, allowing you to start, schedule, and control cleaning sessions with simple voice commands. If you're a pet owner, this is a game changer for maintaining a clean, hair-free home. Number 1. iRobot Roomba Vac. This one stands out as the best overall robot vacuum for its powerful, user-friendly design and versatility. Featuring iRobot's renowned 3-stage cleaning system, this vacuum delivers 3 levels of suction that ensure a comprehensive clean across both carpets and hard floors. It's engineered to methodically navigate your home using smart sensors to avoid obstacles and stairs. This makes it incredibly effective at covering every inch of your space while avoiding damage. One of the standout features is its ease of use. Straight out of the box, the Roomba Vac Essential is ready to go. It offers quick setup and works with the iRobot Home app, which allows users to set cleaning schedules, track cleaning history, and even view cleaning maps. Its low-profile design allows it to clean hard-to-reach areas under furniture, and the edge-sweeping brush ensures thorough cleaning in corners and edges. The vacuum runs for up to 120 minutes on a single charge, automatically returning to its base station when the battery is low. With its mix of smart navigation, powerful suction, and convenient app integration, this vacuum is perfect for users seeking a reliable, efficient cleaning solution for their homes. So, there you have it, the best budget robot vacuums of 2024, offering powerful cleaning performance without breaking the bank. With the right model, you can keep your floors spotless with minimal effort, all while staying within your budget. Want to grab one of these amazing robots at the best price? Be sure to check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest content, tips, and reviews. Keep your home clean and your wallet happy.